Hi, Dave Powell, Integrity Surveying. Talked about chimney breasts internally in the past. Now just going to have a quick look at chimneys and the faults and problems that you can get with them. Now most of the time they have leadwork abutting the roof, they're built up in brickwork, sometimes with render, then they have clay chimney pots or metal or asbestos cars to the top. Various problems can happen to chimneys, especially as they're in such an exposed location. First of all, vegetation. As in this chimney, there's vegetation growing out the top of it. Now this means that roots are bedding down into the mortar and will loosen the brickwork off over time, which will cause damage. So make sure that you look up at your chimneys every now and then. If there's anything growing, get it removed and check for any mortar repairs. On chimney breasts, we spoke about them being vented at the bottom. The other thing to do, like this chimney, is vented at the top. This one, as you can see, has got slab capping over it, which means that it is now out of use, but they've provided an air vent brick towards the top, so therefore there's a full flow of air from the bottom through to the top to remove excess moisture. Good practice. Another issue with chimney stacks is there can be a lot of wear and tear to the brickwork and mortar, like this. As can be seen with this chimney, a lot of the brick faces have blown or spalled. That's partly because of weathering with heating, cooling, freezing, wetting, that they've become damaged, and also just because of general age. Now over time these will need to be replaced, so again keep an eye on your chimneys for any repairs that be necessary. Just as you get wear with brick faces, you can also get wear with mortar. Now this is eroded due to water and through freezing and general wetting, and this can end up with loose bricks at the top. So, something else to look out for, the possibility of worn mortar, daylight between bricks, which could mean loose brickwork. So, hopefully there's a few tips for things to look out for when you're looking at your chimney stacks. Dave Powell, Integrity Surveying. Look after your chimneys. Thanks for watching.